welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. If you're new here, hi, I'm Talia and I'm interested in showing you how to get high-end, good quality makeup looks using only affordable and drugstore products. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then I would love it if you would subscribe and leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. So I did the first of my Valentine's Day looks last week. If you didn't see that, then I'll link it up on screen now so you can check it out. But today I wanted to do kind of a 2-for-1 sort of deal because I wanted to do a Valentine's look, but I also wanted to do a review of a palette that I got quite a while ago, but I've just not had the opportunity to use yet. I was looking at it the other night and I thought it'd make a perfect Valentine's Day look with the colours. I think that it really goes, and that palette is the Friends Revolution Lobster palette. I didn't want to do a whole video on it because I've done quite a few Friends Revolution videos so far, and I wanted to just do a regular tutorial including this palette, and I'm really happy with how this look turned out today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just actually tried this look and it wasn't working at all. The colours just weren't blending in together. It was a bit of a mess. So I've just washed this eye off and I'm going to start again. But instead of setting my primer with powder, I've just left it so it's sticky. So maybe that'll make a difference. Maybe this is like the first one where it has to have a sticky base down. So we'll see how it goes. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is the shade Could I Be? And that's going to be our transition colour. And I'm going to put that all over the crease. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Beef Trifle. And I'm going to use that to darken up that colour. That's gone a bit orange, so I'm going to go back in with Could I Be to just bring back some of that red. I mean, these colours are super pigmented. I just wasn't happy with how they were blending the first time. It looked kind of muddy and messy and they just weren't blending in with each other well. So maybe you do need a sticky base down for this palette. Just like the very first one that the Friends and Revolution collaboration did together, the colours just wouldn't work if you put powder down first. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Bagpipes. I'm going to put that at the crease to kind of really darken up this colour, make it look more plump. That Bagpipe shade, that's the second time now I put it on and it just doesn't seem to make a difference, which is such a shame because it's probably the prettiest colour in the palette and I'm really quite disappointed with that shade. I don't feel like it's made much of a difference to this look. It's not really darkened it up any, so that's a bit of a bummer. Now just on a small pointed brush, I'm going to take some of Stevie the TV. I don't want too much of this colour on the look because I don't want it to turn into a brown look. But it's the darkest shade in the palette, so I'm hoping it'll just kind of bring some definition to the crease and make it look a bit darker. Then just going back in with the first brush that we used, I'm just going to blend out those colours. Then I'm going to mix the shades Bagpipes and Stevie the TV together, and I'm going to apply those to the outer part of our eye right here. Just taking that up onto the crease to make sure it's all blended. Now to cut the crease, of course, I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer in the shade C0. And I'm just using a small pointy brush to do the cut crease. I'm only going to do a half cut crease today. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Ski Trip and I'm going to put that all over the cut crease that we've just done. Now I'm just going to go back in with the shade Bagpipes and I'm just going to blend it into that gold shade. I'm going to do the same with the shade Stevie the TV. And then make sure that that's blended out into the crease. And as you know, a step I always like to do whenever I do a cut crease is I like to go in with a dark shade and redefine over where we've just done the cut crease. I'm going to do that now using the shade Bagpipes. Also gives you an opportunity to clean up, especially when you're working with glitter, it can kind of get into the crease. So doing this step really helps. I'm really sorry if you can hear a dog in the background. It's my neighbour's dog Charlie, and he's adorable, but he does get quite loud. Now I'm going to add some... Charlie, shh. Now I'm going to add some mascara. Today I'm using Essence Lash Princess, and then I'm going to add some lashes. Oh, and another note, you do get a lot of fallout with this palette, so I'm going to clean that up. But when you're working with pressed glitter anyway, you're bound to get fallout. So just keep that in mind if you are working with this palette or any pressed glitter, it's going to be a mess. Okay guys, so I've just done my face makeup off camera, and now I'm going to go in with the Barry M eye pencil in the shade number 10, and it's just a gold eye pencil. I'm going to put that in my waterline first. Okay, now going back in with the Friends Revolution Lobster palette, I'm going to first go in with the shade Bagpipes, and I'm going to run that across the lower lash line. And taking a small blending brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Could I Be, and I'm going to use that to blend out the first shade Bagpipes. And I'm going to grab some of the shade up in the corner called Planiversary, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of the eyes. So for lips for this look, I really want to go kind of bold. So I'm going to first line my lips with the Revolution lip liner in the shade Glory. I picked these up. It's a pack of 10 liquid lipsticks. They're all matte and they've got all different shades in there. And look, there's a black one. I've finally found a matte black liquid lipstick, so of course I'm going to use that today. I don't know if they sell these colours individually. I will find out and I'll put it right on screen. You get 10 shades in there. I think the box was something like £12, so that's pretty decent deal. So this is the black that we're going to be using today, and it is called Bad Vibes. And to be honest though, I think that you could do this look with a nude lip if you wanted to just kind of keep it quite simple, and a red lip of course would look amazing because this is a Valentine's look and it's pretty red as it is, but I need to try my black out today. And that completes this look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below if you did, and please let me know if there are any other future looks you would like to see from me on this channel. So that's the 2 Valentine's Day looks are done. By the time this video goes out, it'll be Valentine's week, so I hope that you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day whatever you're doing. So I really enjoyed working with the Friends Revolution Lobster palette. I wasn't too sure about it when I first started using it, but I think that having a sticky base down really helped. I think that the colours are beautiful. You can't argue with that. I think that they blend pretty good. They're not as good as the Open the Door palette I found, but I still really liked it and I probably would use it again. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That would mean so much to me. Have a happy Valentine's Day and have a wonderful day today. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!